Math class, everyone.
Back to class.
Ooh. I'm a cow. Geez.
Angela, what are the first 5 numbers of pi?
3.141.6.
Incorrect. I knew you weren't listening. Ria, what is the white fraction of this pie?
You are one bad cook to actually burn a third of the pie.
I know, right?
Totally.
Incorrect. It's 1/4. You both need to pay more attention in class.
I need to go to the bathroom. I need to go to the bathroom too.
Fine, just come back in a minute.
1 hour. An hour later they come back.
What took you so long? I told you to be fast. And why is she with